So this is a super quick review. Welcome to another ALK Extreme Reviews. Today I've just picked up the GoPro 8 with a few accessories, Osmo Action and the GoPro 5. This is going to be really quick, so hold on tight. With the GoPro 5, I have 4 to 5 batteries plus the charging port. Never had an issue with this camera whatsoever. The GoPro 5, 6 and 7, you can replace the lens, so if you scratch it, not a big issue. Osmo Action, it's treated me well. I'm pretty happy with it. Osmo Action, very, very disappointed. Yes, you get a bundle with a pack, with a battery pack. Not bad. Issue with the Osmo Action is the screen gets fogged up. There's a massive delay when you're filming to the capture and the voice. So if you move your hand around in the screen, there's a massive delay. I also noticed that when you're playing back in 2.7 or even in 4K resolution, the background's really pixelated. Very disappointed, but if you're going slow, taking nice photos, it's okay. Just bought this now. Okay, I just a little bit disappointed actually with GoPro. They're smart, they know how to make money. Just open this up very, very quickly. Now in Australia, these are $600. Okay, what do you get in the box with the GoPro 8? It's a little bit hard to do this with one hand. That cable, charging cable, the try to get this focus if I can, one adapter with the 3M stick on the back and the battery. Now they say that all the GoPro batteries to the previous model, to all the previous models, will not work on the GoPro 8. But even though they're exactly the same battery, same voltage, same amp hours, everything's exactly the same, the only difference is the blue. Okay, they're saying that with this battery here, you can drain it a lot easier or a lot further than what you can do with the batteries prior. Means you get better or longer recording stages. Now the other problem is as well, is if you use any other battery besides the GoPro 8 batteries, you won't be able to use all the functions on the GoPro 8. Anyway, that's a bit disappointing. The other thing I want to bring up as well is this. This is why I bought all the accessories. You can't, I mean, I hope this is fine. I'm using a different camera today, but you can't replace this. Where with this one here, if anything goes wrong, you can just pull this apart and swap it over, or even change the UV lens on them. This here, if it scratches, cracks, or anything like that, GoPro say they won't fix it. It's not worth it. It's cheaper to buy a new camera. $600. What the fuck? Seriously, it's not cheaper to buy a new camera. Anyway, I haven't turned it on. It's still brand new. We'll see how we go. But if you're going to buy the GoPro 8, I highly recommend you get the protective housing. $89. They know how to make money. So I do a lot of mountain bike trekking and everything like that. I don't want to damage your camera. I don't want to fork out another $600. So might as well just pay an extra $89 now and get the protection housing. Now this does go up to 60 meters in depth of water, I think it is. Yeah, 60 meters compared to the 10. Says right there, if I can get focus, forget it, this sun is pissing me off. But anyway, that's that, and that's that. I bought that originally because I thought, hey, good to have a bit of protection. But after watching a lot of reviews, they're saying that you need to get this because if you damage the GoPro, it's game over. It's absolutely, like $600 in Australia is a lot of money, it's not cheap. Anyway, we'll see how this camera goes, and I'll keep you updated. Bye for now.